This is a tutorial for how to set up a GitHub data connector with Spice.ai. The link in the description will bring you to the cookbook recipe so you can follow along. Before we begin, ensure you have a GitHub token. To do so, navigate to github.com/settings/personal access tokens, and then you can create and save your API key in a secure spot for later in the tutorial. If you haven't already installed the Spice.ai and cloned the GitHub cookbook repository, you can do so at the Getting Started page. Once you've done that, navigate to the folder in your files and open the .env file and enter your API key. Make sure you save the file with Command S. Now you're ready to run the Spice runtime, so we'll copy this. Once all components are loaded, we're going to open a new terminal and start a SQL query session by entering Spice SQL. So there are quite a few options for queries, so I'm only going to demo a few, but if you read the cookbook recipe, you can see all the possibilities with this connector. The first one I'm going to show is how to get the 10 most recently updated issues. So you can copy them from your cookbook, paste it into the terminal, and you should get this output. And this will show the last 10 updated issues in your repository. Another thing I'm going to show is you can get a list of members. So in the cookbook example, you can get a list of 10 members from the Apache GitHub organization. And so I'm going to navigate to that. And then you're going to copy this into your terminal. And then you can see this list of 10 members in the Apache organization from GitHub. And then the last thing I'm going to show is you can access and read release notes or a file, for example. And so I'm going to scroll down to where this is. If we want to read the release notes of this Spice launch, we would copy this in, paste it in the terminal, and then you can read the release note. Thank you for watching.